Next up, we'll be taking a look at Goldar. Look at the articulation. Head can go side to side, not all the way around due to the hair. Arms up that far because of the shoulder pads. Out that far, again, shoulder pads. Bicep swivel. That far for the elbow bend. Inverse articulation and bend. Longer for an ab crunch for ball joint. Legs out that far, back that far, off to the side that far. Twist at the thigh, and that far for the knee bend. Ankle tilt and rotation. Along with the wings, just a simple plug. With other accessories, he gets a closing fist and a grabbing hand for his sword, along with a splayed open hand and another hand to grab his sword. Speaking of which, and its effect piece doesn't really peg in anywhere, just rests there like dragons. I kinda like it. I like the color. Wish it actually pegged in though. He is a GameStop exclusive. Don't think he's trying $2.99 anymore. I believe they lowered it, but it might just be online. The stores may still have him listed as $22.99. Good figure, even with GameStop's tax, which technically is over because he's lowered in price, I think. There's something. There's Goldar. Follow me on Twitter if you want. I don't care. Goodbye.